Morning. So in this video I'm going to explain construction of transition table for the code converter. So as I have explained in the previous video, the construction of state table, introduction of state table, and state assignment also. So using that assignment, now let's see construction of transition table. So this is the reduced state table, and this is the assignment table. What is assignment table? We'll write transition table. Again, we know transition table consists of present state, next state, when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and output. So this output is just copied here. Okay, output is same. Right? So here q1, q2, q3 are the present state variable. q1 plus, q2 plus, q3 plus are the next state variable when x is equal to 0, and similarly when x is equal to 1. Clear? So here in this present state, they are replaced with the codes assigned using state assignment. See, present state is A, so A is replaced with the 3 zeros, and present state is B, and that B is replaced with the 1 0 0. See, 1 0 0. Similarly, C is replaced with 1 0 1, and D is replaced with 111, and E is replaced with 110, and H replaced with 011, and M replaced with 010, and this is unused. That is also listed. 001 is unused. So now we are replacing next state when x is equal to 0. Okay. Next state when x is equal to 0 and present state is A. For a present state A and x is equal to 0, next state is B. So that B is replaced with the 100. Next is D, that is replaced with 111. Next E replaced with 110. Next H replaced with 011. Again H 011. A 000. Again A 000. And here it is unused state. So unused 001 is unused state. So next state is don't care. Next state is don't care. Similarly, observe when x is equal to 1 for a present state A, next state is C, that C is replaced with the 101. Next E replaced with 110. Again E 110. H means 011. M means 010. A means 00. And the next X is don't care. Again here present state is 001. No, next state is don't care. Next state is don't care. Clear now? This is what the transition table for the reduced state table. Clear now? So from the transition table we construct excitation table. So again excitation table is analogous to transition table, only the difference is same present state and output, and the difference is in place of next state we use excitations. So again here we use D flip-flop. So as we know, in the D flip-flop, if you use D flip-flop, next state D values is same as next state. That means D1 is equal to Q1 plus, D2 is equal to Q2 plus, and D3 is equal to Q3 plus when x is equal to 0. That means these columns are written here. Okay. Similarly, when x is equal to 1, D1 is equal to Q1 plus when x is equal to 1. Similarly, D2 is equal to Q2 plus and D3 is equal to Q3 plus. So this will be written here. Clear now? Fine. See, observe in this excitation table. So next we are going to write the Boolean expression using K-map. And observe here present state, they are not in the order. See 00. Next you are expecting 001, but here 100. It is not in the order, so it makes a little bit a confusion to write the entries into the K-map. Write entries into the K-map. So another form of excitation table is, see here we listed X year, present X year. I mean in external input X and present state variable is combined. So here four variables. Four variables means 16 possible combinations are coming. 16 possible combinations are coming. Now I have listed 8 combinations. 8 combinations. Right? So here that means if present X is 0, if the present state is 000, what will be the next state? What will be the next? I mean, sorry. What is the D values? What is the D values? Identify here. See here X is equal to 0. The state variable is 30 and D1, D2, D3 value is 100, which I have already did it. So that I am replacing here. Okay. The next combination is 0011. For 0011 means this is the one. So D values are don't care. Similarly, next is 010. I mean this is the value which I have already red color. So 3 zeros. Next 011, 3 zeros. 100, 111 D values, and 101, 110. Similarly 110, 011 and 111, 011. Okay, we complete. And another, see this is for 8 possible combination. Another 8 possible combinations are there. So this is when X is equal to 1. Okay, these are the another 8 possible combination. That means we complete these D values by observing X is equal to 1 column, X is equal to 1 column, and state variable value is 000 to 111. Here it is 00, no? So for 00, see this is the value which I am highlighting in blue color. The same 101 is replaced, written here. Next combination 001. So don't care. Okay, and 010 don't case, and 011 000, 100 110, 101 110, and next 110 010, and 111 011. Now it is in order. It is in order. So it is easy to do the entries into the K-map to obtain the expression for D1, D2, D3. Clear now? So using this and retain only D1 column to obtain the expression for D1. Okay. And here, so there are 4 variables now. There are 4 variables now. So 4 variable map is considered. Okay. And cell numbers also given 0, 1, 2, 3. Observe the entries. See, first 4 entries. 1 don't care, 0 0. How do you write? 1 don't care, is this 0 and back to 0. And next 4 entries 1 1 0 0. See, 1 1 0 0 6 7. And next 4 entries 1 don't care 0. This I am written last row. 1 don't care 0. Correct? And next 4 entries 1 1 0 0. See, 1 1 0 0. Okay, this is how we end. Next grouping of ones. So here one octant is possible. So the expression is common from these two, that is 0, that is corresponding to Q2. So Q2 bar is the expression for D1. Expression for D1 Q2 bar. Similarly, retain D2 column and do the entries. First 4 entries 0 don't care 0 0. 0 don't care 0 0. Next 4 entries 4 ones. Next 4 entries 0 don't care 0. See, 0 don't care 0. Next 4 ones. Again here also one octant is possible, and here common is Q1. So the expression for D2 is Q1. Similarly, retain D3 column and the entries. See, first 4 entries 0 don't care 0 0. 0 don't care 0 0. Next 4 entries 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 1. And next 4 entries: 1 don't care 0. See, 1 don't care 0. Next 4 entries: 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1. Clear now? So here one pair is possible. Okay, that is 8 and 9, and another one pair 7 and 15, and one more pair 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So this is the corresponding expression for D3. Clear now? And similarly retaining Z, right? And entries into the KMAP as I explained in the previous. So here one quad is possible and another quad is possible. So all ones are covered, and this is the corresponding expression. Clear now? So we obtain expression, and the last step is, so these are the excitation and output expression. For this we write logic circuit diagram. So here we need a three flip flops. No? So this is one flip flop, D flip flop. D is the input, Q bar is the output, and C is the control input. This is first flip flop. Similarly, second and third. Okay. Next, assign state variables and excitation variables. We'll assign D1 Q1 Q1 bar for first flip flop, D2 Q2 Q2 bar for the second one, and D3 Q3 Q3 bar for the third one. Now see, the expression for D1 means it is Q2 bar. So draw a line from Q2 bar to D1. So and before that, connect all control inputs of the D flip-flops into clock pulses. Clear na? Next, D1 expression is Q2 bar now. So draw a line from Q2 bar to D1. Q2 bar to D1. Next for D2, it is Q1. So draw a line from Q1 to D2. See, Q1 to D2. See, but D3 expression, it is little bit complex. So here we require one OR gate, three input and output of OR gate is D3. See the structure. Output of OR gate is connected to D3. Inputs to the OR gate is from 3 AND gates. For the first AND gate, the inputs are X, Q1 bar, Q2 bar. So here it's little bit complicated to draw the line from Q1, Q2 bar. So here you can write, no issues. You can write here only. And similarly for the second AND gate, inputs are Q1, Q2, Q3. And for third AND gate, X bar, Q1, Q3 bar. Okay, this is a expression implemented for D3. Next Z, again we require one OR gate, two AND gate, two input AND gate. For the first one, inputs are X, Q3. So we draw a line from Q3 and another input is X. And for second AND gate, Q3 bar, X bar. Draw a line from Q3 and another input is connected to X. So this is the circuit diagram. With this, code converter is completed. So thank you all.